Okay, so I was on Minecraft and this this person Solars has been coming in, just walked into the server. Solars and Flake MC. I have screenshots of them saying past Solar and I have Flake. So both of these guys, I have two different screenshots of them, and I have it here in the chat. Okay, so let me see if I can find another one. Let's see. Because they were basically spamming it up in the chat, but I can't go any more up in the chat because I was busy getting the screenshots and trying to figure out how to get the screenshots in here. So since I can't get the screenshots up in there, I just decided to make a video. So that's how they're not saying it as much anymore. So, but I got the screenshots right here of them saying it. There was a lot more of when they were saying it and stuff. I was telling them to stop and and other people in the server was telling them to stop, but they just kept on saying it. Eventually, they were spamming it and stuff, and they wouldn't stop. So okay. I'd like if Tree or most likely Stan could come on and I don't know, mute these guys or ban them or something for being racist, because they're automatically assuming somebody's nationality by just calling them this offensive word. You know, as me as a black guy, I find this like very offensive to like how they're speaking to me and my friends. I really appreciate it if somebody could like come on and take care of this situation. Thank you. Yeah, Dad?